Welcome back, and we got crypto moving up again, albeit slowly. Don't worry guys, I try not to do market videos at the moment because the viewership just isn't there. It seems like you guys prefer altcoin reviews, so that's what I'm going to focus on in this YouTube channel, is just giving you really good high quality altcoins. Remember guys, altcoins are very volatile, they can dump at any moment, but I try to give you the very best analysis. So if that sounds good, consider subscribing. But just a very quick market overview. Market is still looking very good. BTC is holding up very well, but you don't want to pump too high. You want a nice gradual up climb. So we've burnt through the 30k region, and now we're just kind of hovering around 35 to 40k region. It's okay if we dip below that 35k region because it's all but confirmed at this point the market is going up. It's just a question of how long, and that's obviously going to continue into 2024. So at the moment, it's about finding really good high quality altcoins because BTC dominance is around 52-53%, which means that a lot of altcoins are underperforming compared to Bitcoin. So when I do my YouTube channel, I try to say these are the cryptos that are outperforming Bitcoin right now. That's really a good recipe for finding the best altcoins. But I know Solana's been getting a lot of love lately, and so I want to do a video on Solana because this is a crypto that has really come back from the dead. This is a crypto that was going, I think, above $200 at one point. So if I put this on a monthly chart, let's have a look and see. The all-time for Solana on the Binance exchange at least was, $258. So this crypto at the moment is sitting at $56. Of course, everyone is saying, okay, how long are we going to be at here for, and are we going to move up from here? Like I said, it came back from the dead. It was sitting at around $6.70, which was about December 22nd. So like I said, guys, even though we're not talking about Bitcoin right now, you can actually use this for an altcoin or just any chart in general to see how the movement is happening. And so we have the movement where we have churning, and then we go down, we get cut on the neckline, and then again you go down and you keep going down, and then you get a finally consolidation, and then you have a big churning period, and then you rise up. Now, of course, it's easy to say that when you're looking at a chart. Put that back on a daily. It's easy to say that when you're looking at a chart, oh, look, that was the downtrend. But what you need to know is once this area gets cut, this one, that's a really bullish sign that, okay, there is clearly a lot of buying happening for this crypto. Retail's out, guys. Retail is out of the market. It is the whales who are in the market right now. They're buying the juicy altcoins. They're buying BTC. They're buying ETH because they know the prices are going to be worth more in the future. That's all you need to know right now. They are the ones pushing this price up. It's not manipulation or anything like that. They know prices are going up. So again, you have this trending period from basically December 22nd and up until now. So you basically have almost a year of just going sideways with Solana, and then eventually you do get a break of the, call it $27.12 mark, which is right here. You get a bit of a fake out here in July, but that's okay. Eventually you did get a good strong close. So let's go quickly into the candle, and you'll be able to quickly see how much buying came into the market. So guys, first of all, look here, this volume. This is a lot of volume coming into the market, which means they're pumping up the price. Like I said, $27.12, that is your resistance area. And so you can see a lot of volume coming into it on the Saturday. And then again, the next day you have selling, high volume selling, not much to close below, and you're getting off to the races, which means there's a lot of buying support happening here. And you can see even the red bars, even though you're getting some pretty good volume in the red bars, the spread's very low, guys. This is telling you no one is selling. So here we go. 2nd of November, only went down 2.24%. Guys, look how big this volume is. It's a lot and a lot of volume coming into Solana. So all you need to know is that volume's coming up. They're not letting the price drop, and you're getting this more very high sustained growth moving up. And now we are going sideways until we get ready for next leg up. Again, guys, we can drop. I wouldn't want to see this thing dropping below $38. That's really where you start to get to this support area that came up. So $38, I don't want Solana breaking, but this thing is definitely going up. A lot of cryptos are going to go up, but you're seeing already confirmed that Solana is one of the bull ones because this thing just broke out, and its low came in December 22nd or December 29th, I should say, 2022, which means that we had a full year of just going sideways. This is what you want, guys. No one was talking about Solana during this period. No one was talking about Solana during this period. And that's just because it's boring. And so the whales are buying it at this amazing price between $17 and $27, and they immediately get a nice juicy return. That's the way it is. Now, obviously I don't blame anyone, including myself, for not being able to spot that, but now you get the break, and now you get the confirmation. You pay a premium for reducing your risk, and that's really ultimately what you can do as retail buyers in this market, is just saying, okay, you know what, I'm probably not going to get a 15x or a 10x, but I'll be happy with a 2 to 3 to 4x, and that's definitely in the realm of possibility. But again, there's going to be some choppiness and some sideways turn. Where do we see Solana going? Well, we definitely have resistance coming at around the $70 mark, so it's going to take us around this training period here. So between, call it $80 and $118, there'll be resistance, but the big one is $138. That's the 50% that came in from before, and so that coincides with the September lows before. There will be some resistance going in there. Can we go to the all-time high? Absolutely, but definitely not for the foreseeable future, at least 6 months before we even consider anything like that. So Solana is a good long-term hold before you even consider things. Let's have a look at Solana against its BTC value. This is a really good thing that you can do to open up your charts if you look at charting software, and you can see, look, BTC dominance, guys, is at 53%, I believe. Let's have a look at BTC. So BTC dominance is at 52.77. Solana against its BTC value has just destroyed BTC. So you're much better off holding Solana than BTC right now. The story's on BTC. No, Solana's one of the good ones. But again, it's more volatile, so you have to be careful. Eventually, you want to tell yourself, okay, when am I going to exit these bags? And the time I wouldn't want to see it breaking its BTC value is 0.0011 of a Bitcoin. So we don't want to see it breaking this area, or at the very least, this area right here. And if we have a look at Solana against its ETH value, you can see it's actually outperforming ETH even more so than Bitcoin even. So you can see really holding on fantastic against Solana. This is just its growth at the moment, but again, you're paying a risk premium for taking on that risk. So you want to just have a look at seeing what it's like. So again, ETH's not going to drop like massive amounts compared to Solana. Solana went from $2.50 to $6. That's going to happen with ETH. So you got to really just see which way you want to play the field. Generally, the way I kind of had in my portfolio is my biggest bag is in ETH, and then I kind of scatter them throughout altcoins at the moment. But I'm adding to those altcoins very slowly as I start to see the market move up, because I want to have that confirmation that it's not going to dump on me completely. But I'm still adding to ETH because I still think ETH's a fantastic buy. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do an ETH video. But until then, that is Solana. Solana is a fantastic altcoin at the moment. This is one of your good cryptos going into the bull run. But again, you have to hold it for at least a few months in my estimation at the market. But that's not financial advice, just some fun analysis to be had. But if you want to see more videos like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next altcoin review.